Hey traders, it's Rod with Powell Group. It is Monday, August 17th, and in today we'll do a quick overview of the cryptocurrency space in general, and we'll also touch on the overall stock market very briefly as well. It was a slow day, so I don't anticipate that taking very long. So taking a look at the overall crypto market, we saw that Bitcoin broke out of the ascending triangle on the daily and set new highs. So we did break the previous resistance up at 12,149, and we tested a high of about 12,500 today. And we saw Ethereum, Litecoin, and XRP move along with it. XRP seems to be forming a cup and handle on the daily, so we're keeping an eye on that. Ethereum, very, very strong as well. Bulls still in full control. Also broke out of a ascending triangle on the daily. And if we look at Litecoin, it's broken to new highs and looks to be with the most momentum at the moment. I also saw that Ripple had a article based on one of the business magazines rating them as the 123rd biggest business out of 5,000 businesses. So they saw 3,039% growth. And you can check out that article if you'd like to know more. Breaking down XRP and the technical analysis on the daily chart, we can see that there's a golden cross which is formed, and we have seen quite a significant move already to the upside, but we did form a higher low here on the daily, and it could also be a bull flag. You can see here that we have a weekly bull flag that's forming and decreasing volume. And if we look again at the daily here, you can see that the 200's also crossing through the 100. The 50's already crossed through the 200-day moving average, which is obviously a bullish indicator. And now we're looking at the EMA bull cross that also occurred on Ripple. So you can see here EMA 12 crossed through the long-term exponential moving average 26. And again, that's also indicative of a bullish continuation pattern. And you can see here the weekly bull flag that is forming, and we could see a potential break of that this evening. The overall stock market closed fairly mixed. It was an overall slow day, and I actually didn't trade anything in the stock market today. I've had all my attention on XRP. I actually entered XRP. I sold my BAT position, my basic attention token, and I went into XRP, and I'll just highlight that in just a second. But you can see here the volumes dropping off on SPY, and we closed the market 10 minutes ago, so we're currently in after hours, but you can see that the daily volume's dropping off, and definitely has to do a lot with people taking time off in the summer and just not trading as much. So something I'm staying cognizant of as well is that when volume starts to drop off and people get complacent, we could see an exaggerated move to the downside. So something that I'm watching out for as well. And back to my basic attention token, I did enter. I saw about a 15% gain with that entry that I made. So if I take a look here on the daily chart, I covered this in a previous video. So I entered on the consolidation here at the 25-cent level, and I sold at the 32-cent level. I saw here that we had prior resistance, and you can see we got some upper wicks forming. So then I decided to take the profits, and I cashed out 100% of that position. And then I was looking at Ripple as a potential swing, and I noticed on the daily that we were forming a daily higher low, and I was looking at an entry based on the weekly. So I saw that we had a weekly bull flag setting up. And then also another reason why I entered was we had two inside bars on the daily. So I entered on the second inside bar at about 29.5, and I'm still in this position. My swing position, I'm up about 10% on that swing position. I did enter in my day trading account. I did enter another swing position based on the 15-minute bull flag that we saw here not that long ago, and it was basically a picture perfect bull flag, and we saw the continuation to the new high of the day, and I exited that position on the new high of the day, and I'm still riding the swing position looking to see some follow through on the weekly. Taking a look at the XRP BTC chart, you can see here we blasted off, broke through tons of resistances, and now we're just looking to form a daily higher low and potentially form a tightening range here on the daily chart. And as we mentioned earlier, Bitcoin saw a break out of that ascending triangle, likely due to the news with Warren Buffett getting into gold. So a lot of people speculating that potentially that's going to translate into some Bitcoin gains, which in my opinion, it definitely did, based on the dollar weakness as well. And we did have an algo trigger on Ripple today. So we did just add Ripple to the algo, and we just integrated the algorithm with Twitter directly into Slack. So as you can see, the alert triggered today at 3:10 p.m. and it was a price of 32 cents, a long trigger, and a stop below 29 with a target of 38. So you can utilize those alerts to your benefit. You can sign up for one of our memberships at powgroup.ca. You can check it out. And all of our memberships come with the POW algo included, or you can purchase the algo separately as well. Check out powgroup.ca or pursuitofwealthgroup.com for more information on that. So again, overall, looks like bulls are in full control. We still have gold up near the high of the day and looking to break above 2,000. So everything is full steam ahead for the bulls. And we'll check in tomorrow. I don't expect a whole lot of activity in the stock market this week. It's quite boring to say the least, and you can find better opportunities elsewhere. And for that, for me, was with crypto today. So talk to you guys again soon. Make sure you smash the like, leave a comment in the comments below. Let me know what you're focusing on. If you have any tickers or stocks that you want covered, I'd be happy to cover them for you. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care, everyone.